The RV Joanne Daber was recently launched by the College of Earth, Ocean, and Environment, and it has a wonderful platform for sampling zooplankton. And so what we're using the boat for is to do a time series of zooplankton in Delaware Bay that's recreating a study that was conducted in the late 1950s and early 1960s. And there really hasn't been any quantitative sampling of the whole zooplankton community in Delaware Bay since that time. And so in the Upper Bay, we went from a very oxygen poor environment where there was a lot of pollution from the large cities in the Upper Bay, and that has been remedied to a large extent. And so we're curious to see how the zooplankton community has responded. Also, we have these superstorms and various other extreme weather events that we're experiencing. And so we're curious to get a baseline of zooplankton in advance of future storms in the Lower Bay, where there's a lot of exchange between the coastal ocean and the bay waters. And we're also interested in invasive species. So what invasive species are present now that weren't present in the 1950s and 1960s. So it's really a way to sort of do an assessment of where the zooplankton community is at this time, how it's changed over time, and what we can potentially have as a baseline as we move forward in a changing climate.